Hi friend, welcome to my channel once again. This is your boy Transform. So in this video I'm going to show you how to solve some problems that have been giving you issues on your MoBOX. You know, MoBOX is an app that enables you to run PC games such as GTA 5, such as Spider-Man. So talk of any games on your PC, it can run it very well on your mobile phone. Yes, you heard me very right. But there are problems that you are encountering using your MoBOX. You know, MoBOX is a very complicated app to install. So in this video I'm going to show you a simple step on how to just bypass all those problems so that you can be able to run those issues. Now the first step is to enter your MoBOX in your Tamox. Now go to your manage package. Then from manage package you will see install binary. So from there you will see it will just check all the problems that your MoBOX is having. So it will automatically check and download everything, and bam, you are ready to run all your PC game. So it is very simple. Just allow it to download. When it downloads, you will see if you are having problem downloading your MoBOX or your Tamos, you are having problem setting it up, I have a video in the description, so you can go there and watch those videos. It is very easy for you to do. Guys, I don't want you to have any problem with this, because I see that so many people are asking that why this. Some are saying it is blank, some are saying it is just giving just cursor. So all manner kind of problem. Just check what I did in the video. So when you check it, everything is going to be all right. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, try to subscribe to my channel. There are more amazing content that are coming. Guys, just sit back, relax, enjoy your games. So guys, you can share my videos to people so that they will be able to they will be able to watch my video as well. So thanks.
Nah, you ain't sitting this one out, homie. He just put a dub down on this bike.
20 G's?
With a